Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2x. Because we don't have number 4, that's about number 2 and number 2. So we divide both sides by number 4. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here. And then we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 gone here. So we have number 9. So u equals to number 3. So number 0 we change by number 1. Number 2 we change by number 3. The square root we change by u. The s we change by this one. This one we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of the u, we have u. And now we have 3 minus number 1. And this one we have number 2. And that is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.